Notice she's got 3 toes to one side of that bone and 1 to the other, and she's holding it with 1 paw. Look at that. 1 hand she's holding that thing with. We normally don't give them too many bones. That's Vic. She started growling at Indy. That's Vicky's first bone. Reason being is because the dogs chew them up so bad, they get those bone splinters in their stomach and they start puking for days. It's just not good. Vicky, no. Vicky. No. No. Drop it. Vicky. Indy. There's your bone back. Vicky, that's your bone. I'm not sticking my fingers in that dog's mouth when she's got a bone for the first time. She's got some sharp teeth. Now Zeke has Vicky's first bone. Indy's got Zeke's bone. You're okay, Indy. And Vicky's got Indy's bone. You don't growl at the camera? That's what you call a lazy dog right there. Just laying down, eating his bone. Don't you bite me. What is Daddy gonna do with your bone? Ah! What do you gotta do now? You gotta get it from 4 inches down. You better hold your breath. There you go. How much bone you got left, Zeke? Zeke, I need your bone. Zeke. Look, look. It don't bother me to put my hand in your mouth. Huh. He's got such a gentle mouth, that dog won't bite anything. He won't even touch a fork. Indy, thank you, girl. They kill them quick. I know that's what dogs are supposed to do, chew those things down, but they always end up puking them all back up later, and I'd rather not clean too much of it up off the floor. Vicky's first bone. I hope she enjoyed it. She won't get too many others.